Unleash endless entertainment as we dive into adding IPTV to your Jellyfin library today. Imagine transforming your media server into an ocean of channels and shows. That's IPTV for Jellyfin. First, let's ensure you have Jellyfin installed and ready to power your exciting new setup. Navigate to your Jellyfin dashboard. It's where every customization begins in your media journey. Locate Live TV settings in your dashboard. It's the portal to integrating IPTV services next. Now, input your IPTV sources. This is crucial for linking endless broadcast opportunities. Test your connection and ensure smooth performance. Ideal streaming experience is just steps away. Excited? Wait till you see the vast collection coming from your new IPTV setup. Optimize settings to your preferences. Adjust to best view style, speed, and access effortlessly. Y2TV.store. Their IPTV packages promote seamless quality and unmatched customer support. Discover surprisingly flexible plans that suit diverse entertainment demands. Embrace variety today. Complete your Jellyfin IPTV discovery with interactive channels, boundless entertainment anytime. This Jellyfin setup remarkably extends your everyday media, enhancing your streaming desires greatly. Troubleshooting concerns? We have resources and community support to aid your IPTV asset success. Ready for new streaming journeys? Embark on them triumphantly, your Jellyfin enriched forever. Enjoy this setup guide. Subscribe for more insights and never miss an exciting tech upgrade.